Like one big mistake I think brand owners make is wasting time that they could be testing, but just spend it thinking about the idea to test. Now, if you've got a bunch of ideas and you've queued them up already, this is great. But if you're like, okay, we need to test something on the site, but it's going to take you 3 weeks to discuss how to test it, I think you're just wasting a lot of time in between, and you're standing still when you could be making some kind of progress, learning from actual data on the site. So this is a quick little tool that you can use. This is a basic version. You can make this more complex, but the point is to just keep it simple. And if you want to make it and suit it to your own needs, you can. So it's called like the ICE framework, ICE. So impact, confidence, ease is the acronym there. Impact is basically saying, how much is this going to move the needle by? So for example, is this going to be changing, something on the account page, which maybe only 15% of people even use? Or is this going to be changing something on the header, which everybody sees, right? So one of them is going to be a 10 impact. One of them is going to be, 1 impact. In terms of confidence, it's saying, how sure am I that this change is going to work? So if you've got previous data already saying this is probably going to work, right, then it's going to be a high confidence thing. If this is a completely new idea, no one's ever tested it before, you're a little bit uncertain, it's going to be a 1, right? And then in between. And then the last one is ease. So ease is how easy, quick, simple is this to do? Are you going to need like an army of designers, developers, brand people, everyone to collaborate to make this happen? Or is it just a setting inside of Shopify? So with this one, you want to make sure the lower the number means the harder, and then higher the number means easier. And then you can just put this into like a quick little Google Sheet. You can see I've just put like a little formula in here, and then you can put the person's name down if you want. This is just nice just to see where these ideas are coming from, and then it also means that you can share this document with other people on your team and then get people to collaborate in this. So every time you see an idea, you can just come in. And then if you do a couple of things over here, so you come here, you create a filter, and then you can come down here and rank the ideas by the highest number. And then you can see which ideas are the best ideas all the time inside of your Google Sheets file. Instead of just thinking about it, having multiple weekly meetings about it, or monthly meetings, or agenda, or sprints, whatever it is you call it, thinking about the idea, just do something. And then you can get the idea, into action, get some feedback in it, and then improve from there. So hopefully this is useful.